Good evening, friends. आज दशहरा है. To start with, I extend my greetings uh, of Dashera to all the members of the Let's Learn community and all the members who are listening to this video. This is a very small kind of a video I'm trying to make on using a screener.in to find out a stock which is a kind of with a big market cap and with a good returns, and in which the promoters are also holding on to the good quantity. It's going to be very simple. My target is I have to find out a stock which is less than 1,000 rupees with good operating profit margin and a good return on equity and return on the capital employed. So let's go, because since it's going to be a very small video, before I start on to anything, let it be me very clear to everybody. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I'm not a certified financial analyst. I only share my knowledge with you all, and I do advise you to consult your financial advisor with your certified financial analyst before you make any investment. I do not take any responsibility for any profit or losses. So before we start with the screener.in. Let it be clear. Screener.in is a free site which is there on Google. Anybody can access it. You have to just create a login, and then this kind of a page opens up. So we will just touch on screens which is there and create a new scanner. हमारी पहली condition, our first condition was the current price should be under 1,000 rupees. Okay, it's not like anything is. So we had 4,225 stocks which are coming into our radar. So it's a pretty high number. So what we do is now to filter out, because we need a real company with a big market cap. So market capitalization, I put it at 50,000 crores. And now I run it. Still, I have 77 companies which are coming in. My aim is to find out a company for you all which fits into a very stringent kind of a criteria and which is a consistent performer with a big market cap and maybe a kind of a monopoly stock if it comes out to be. So next was return on equity. Standard number which is given in any kind of you can say textbook or on any site is 15 to 25 is. But I am going to keep it double of that. And I'm going to keep it at 50. We had 6 companies still coming. Now you can see we had, with such a stringent criteria, we have just reduced to 6 companies. Now we'll do return on capital employed. And again, for this, on all, you can say the platforms where fundamental analysis is done, they advise 15 to 25 is. And I again want to keep it at 50%. Now we are reduced with 3 companies. All are under 1,000 rupees because we have kept a criteria. We have Lloyd's Metal, we have life insurance, we have Coal India. You can go and check the parameters out here is that they're doing relatively well. All 3 companies are doing very well. Now we add another criteria is first we'll put promoter holding greater than 50. Promoters को अपनी कंपनी पे विश्वास हो तभी कोई फायदा है. Still 3 remaining. ये तीनों कंपनी में promoters का भी stake 50% से ज्यादा है. Return on equity and return on capital employed both over 50 and market cap of over 50,000 crores. Now we come on to the main part is operating profit margin greater than 15 is considered to be good, and I place it double, 30. Here we come with a stock which is a large market cap under 1,000 rupees with a good return on equity and good return on capital employed with a promoter holding of more than 50%. Coal India fits into all this criteria. You can change the price according to your liking or disliking. You can change the parameters according to your liking or disliking. Yes. And if why we should not go blindly by what screener says it. We should go back and check it, what actually this whole parameters, the financial statements, they are actually true or false. Now, this is a company with 3 lakh crore market cap. Currently, it is trading around 493, approximately 10% down. It's of all-time high. The stock P is just 8.32. Dividend yield is 5.17%. ROC and ROE, since we had kept a filter of more than 50%, they both have come. They both will be satisfied. And the face value of the stock is 10 rupees. If we see the parallel mining and the mineral products peers review, the closest to it is NMDC, which is at 11.24. The median for this sector is 22.76, and it is at 8.32, approximately 2.5 times less than of its industrial averages. Operating profit from, you can say, June 2021. Now you can see in June 2024, it is 14,339 crores. Operating profit margin is 39%. मतलब 100 रुपए में से ये 39 rupees बचा रहा है. That is the operating profit margin, such a high, and it has been increasing over the last almost 1 year. Profit before taxation, you can go and see, it is visually आपको आंखों से ही पता लग रहा है कि ये बढ़ता जा रहा है. Net profit, again the financial, you can see it's almost 11,000 crores. Now the consolidated statements. Operating profit standing for the last trailing 12 months is 46,834 crores, approximately 47,000 crores. Previous year it closed at 48,000 crores, and operating profit margin stands at 33%. Compound sale growth was not much at such a high market cap. You have almost the decent CAGR reports, profit growth, stock CAGR. But if you come down and see here the shareholding patterns, promoters are close to around 63.13%, and it's stable above 60%. FIIs have started increasing their stake in this stock as they have increased to 9.16%. DIIs have slightly decreased to 22.56. Government holds 0.11%, and the public share is also decreasing. So that is being taken over by institutional buyers. Please don't take this as a buy or a sell recommendation for this stock. Is do your own analysis, discuss with your certified financial analyst. But to me, the stock appears to be very attractive. And I think so. It is one stock one must have it in portfolio for long-term basis. Thank you, everybody.